If you're a business owner, you want your facility to leave a lasting impression. At Bayside Flooring, we help to create a look for your flooring that's remarkable both in aesthetic and utility. For over 32 years, we've left our mark in prominent Rochester-based businesses. The U of R, Strong Hospital, Maplewood Nursing Home, Batavia Downs Casino, and many more have all entrusted us to lay the groundwork for their business.
If you're looking for a great value, great product, and a quality installation, John and the guys at Bayside Flooring are the guys to work with. I highly recommend them.
Along with our commercial work, Bayside Flooring offers stunning flooring for residential accounts as well. Hardwood, tile, carpet, vinyl, or even Peruvian tigerwood. Whatever look you desire, we can install it with efficiency and affordability. With a team of trained, experienced flooring professionals and an accessible, hands-on owner, you'll have the confidence that your next flooring project will bring new life to your home or business. Visit us at our outlet store in Irondequoit for unbeatable prices on your tile and flooring needs.